All right, I know I've done dozens of videos on mud runners because I like them so much, but let me show you. Here's the difference. Here's the mud runner, here's the angle box, and if I am going to run the angle box on these, look at, this is way, way up there, guys. I can't reach this hardly at all. I'm going to take my angle box, I'm going to pull this up a little bit, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to have a really, really hard time putting enough pressure on here to draw this down. And there's no way I'm going to be able to get this up here, especially up here, and put enough pressure on this to bring this down, because I'm having to hold it like this in order to keep it square in that angle. It's not tall enough. This is not long enough. But with this mud runner, I can start here at the bottom. Actually, it's probably a little dried up right now because I just took a break. But I can start right here at the bottom. I can bring it up with no problem. I can jump up here. It is a little dried up because, all right? And I notice I've got a big blob up there, but I don't usually. It's usually nice and clean like that. But then I can catch these too, guys. I can catch this. And I can catch this. Hang on. Try to do that with this angle box. You just can't do it. But it's done. I will jump up on these stilts after I get the angles in. I will touch up all of these corners. They'll be ready for paint. So you guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.